This is how he gets up there. It feels good now?
Huh?
It feels good?
Oh.
Wait, stop, they're coming.
Yeah?
You're crazy. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay, but you have to run. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god, it's so cold.
You really liked it, huh?
Fucking cold. I feel like I have a layer of ice on me.
Okay, now can you tell us how cold it is outside? Kids, don't try this at all.
Don't try this shit. I feel like I have a layer of ice on my skin.
Alright then, let's go get you clean up.